Whoa. I didn't see you there. Damn. Who is this good looking guy? Oh, oh, I forgot. I was looking at myself in the screen. मैं भी ना. Cue my intro. Good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever and whenever you're watching this vlog. Welcome to day 7 of Daily-ish vlogs. आज मुझे पूरा एक हफ्ता हो गया है Daily-ish vlogs करते हुए, and I have realized two things. Number one, how much I love vlogging and talking to the camera and sharing my life with all of you. Number two, daily vlogging is pretty hard. It's damn freaking hard. मतलब आपको हर रोज सुबह उठकर कैमरा पकड़ना है, कैमरा से बातें करनी है, और फिर रात को उसको एडिट करना है, उसको पोस्ट करना है, अगले दिन दोबारा. And it's a continuous process. So immense respect for everyone who does daily vlogs on YouTube because it's not easy. I use this perfume. It's called Born Rich. इसमें बड़ी पैकेजिंग भी आती है, बट मुझे छोटी पैकेजिंग अवेलेबल थी तो मैंने यही खरीद ली. प्लस इट्स वेरी ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली एंड इट्स ऑल्सो वेरी चीप. इट्स नॉट लाइक वन ऑफ दोज जो काफ़ी महंगे रहते हैं. बिकॉज आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ यू आर कॉलेज गोइंग स्टूडेंट्स, तो ऐसे पॉकेट मनी में से इतने महंगे महंगे परफ्यूम खरीदना कभी कभी काफ़ी महंगा रहता है. बट दिस इज प्राइस वाइज अ वेरी चीप परफ्यूम बट स्मेल्स amazing. I've used so many bottles of these, so you can get this perfume very easily and smell great. So it's pretty late in the afternoon. आज vlog की शुरुआत काफ़ी लेट हो रही है. I'm already showered and सुबह से आपने कुछ ज़्यादा मिस भी नहीं किया वैसे. मतलब ऐसा भी कोई इवेंटफुल डे तो था नहीं. I woke up. Whoa. So I woke up and सुबह से आज बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश हो रही थी and then now suddenly the sun has come. इसका क्या मतलब है? Why are you so confused? कभी बारिश हो रही है, कभी धूप आ रही है, बीच में ह्यूमिडिटी हो रही है, पसीने हमें आ रहे हैं. तुम्हारा क्या है? मन करे तो बारिश, मन करे तो धूप. आज की ओवर एक्टिंग का कोटा पूरा हुआ. एनीवे, आज सुबह आई बिगैन विद माई काढ़ा विच इज़ द यूजुअल, यू गाइज नो इट. ब्रेकफास्ट में सब कुछ लाइट था. आई हैड फ्रूट, बनानाज एंड एप्पल्स. एंड अब मैं लंच करूँगा एंड अपने लिए बनाऊँगा कॉफ़ी, क्योंकि ये तो अब डेली चीज़ हो चुकी है. सो लेट्स गो डाउन स्टेयर्स. ओ बट बिफोर दैट आई हैव टू गेट माई कैमरा डाउन स्टेयर्स बिकॉज आई एम प्लानिंग टू गेट सम मोर पिक्चर्स now that I have showered. I'm also slightly tired. I don't know why it is. Maybe it's because I'm trying to get into this routine of daily vlogging. Like I sleep very late because you see, ignore that towel. But I edit my vlogs. I can edit my vlogs in a more simpler way. Like I don't have to put in those finishing touches that I do sometimes. Again, I don't know if you guys notice it, but I can like just compile the vlog in one go and just give it a go. But I then take extra time to sit and make it a little more crisp and add some finishing touches, so that takes a little bit of time. So I'm still trying to adapt to this new routine of daily-ish vlogging jahan par I sleep late and then yeah, what is this garmi, this humidity, bhagwan ji. कुछ करो. I hate summers. I'm not gonna be politically correct about it. किसी की feelings hurt होती हैं. Summer खुद आके कहती है कि मैं offended feel कर रही हूँ. I don't care. I dislike summers. क्या करो आप summers में? There is no solution. आप AC में पूरे दिन नहीं बैठ सकते. You have to go out. And this humidity, I don't know, this particular weather, especially जो August September वाला होता है. What the hell, bro? What's up? Anyway, I'm gonna have my lunch and then I'm gonna make myself some coffee. So yeah, my mom has made some chole today. Looks yum. 2 चपाती ही चाहिए. मेरे को 3 मत दो. I don't want to have 2. Yum. Okay, so my mom and dad are sitting here and we were just talking and they were saying how they read all of the comments under these vlogs that you guys post. तो पहले तो thank you so much for all of the lovely comments and all of the big lengthy ass comments that you put. I really appreciate it, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि this is in a way my personal life that I'm putting out on internet, and of course I'm a little bit sensitive about it because I show everyone, my sister, my parents, my friends, my family, but you guys so far have been super sweet and very encouraging, and I think मैं भी इस पूरे process में बहुत कुछ सीख रहा हूँ. I'm trying to learn a lot more things every day. I'm trying to adapt to this daily vlogging lifestyle, but आप लोगों की इंकरेजमेंट एंड पॉजिटिविटी इज समथिंग दैट आई रियली रियली अप्रिशिएट. सो मैं खाना खाते वक्त आपको थैंक यू कहना चाहता था.
This is your brunch.
Brunch. So, if you guys remember from yesterday, I think it was in yesterday's vlog that I was talking about how my schedule is somewhat like कि अब मेरा lunch और evening snack और dinner almost एक time पे होता है. So when I was having, my dad was like, "This is your lunch, breakfast and lunch." So now you know where I get all of this from. Oops, I had a mini heart attack. These chane are just out of the world. I don't know what she has put in it. There's some anardana. I don't know. I think मेरे मम्मा की कुछ particular dishes हैं which I really really like भिंडी is one of them, बैंगन का भरता is one of them, आलू beans is one of them, चने are one of them, राजमा चावल, आलू के पराठे, yeah, पनीर. I love all of these dishes. So I hopefully one day we decoders will just sit together and my mom will cook this amazing food and we'll all enjoy. Let's decide one dish जो कि एक दिन हम सब अपने घर पे फॉर लंच या ब्रेकफास्ट बनाएंगे और इकट्ठे खाएंगे. How about that? Right. Because this is the Decode family. I'm gonna enjoy my chole and I'll see you at this next coffee montage. Guess? No. Just take a guess. Take a guess. It's time for the coffee montage. Amazing. So I've asked Ria to scorching, bro. So I've asked Ria to, oops, I was about to fall. I've asked Ria to click some pictures of me in this gorgeous light and humidity. Let's do it. इस गर्मी में फोटो शूट करना मतलब ह्यूमिडिटी अपडेट, पसीना हसीना. I've changed into this red shirt because I feel like that black shirt was absorbing a lot of heat. That's the only disadvantage of wearing black shirt, that it absorbs a lot of heat, so you feel hotter than the rest of them. Remember, sex appeal? Okay, let's go. Look at it. Is this a road or is this a river?
हरि दर्शन धूप अगरबत्ती और पूजा सामग्री घर को मंदिर बना दे.
कोर्स कर सकता हूँ गीत यू कमिंग विद मी.
आदित्य छोड़ो मुझे. क्या कर रहे हो तुम? मैंने कहा ना छोड़ो मुझे.
गीत लिसन टू मी. तुम मेरे साथ
समझते क्या हो अपने आप को? मेरे साथ ये सब हो गया, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि अब तुम्हारा चांस है, समझे?
ओके. सो जनाब जी थोड़ा लागे डालो दे विच कौन किसनु कह रहा था फिल्म का नाम की है अपना जवाब.
फिल्म का नाम जब वी मेट. आदित्य गीत को बोल रहा है और गीत आदित्य से बात कर रही है. दिस वॉज अ कॉन्टेस्ट ऑन रेडियो एंड
Baby, come, baby, go.
I've reached back home. इस गर्मी और ह्यूमिडिटी से बचने का सिर्फ एक ही जरिया है. ऐसे फ्रिज खोल के खड़े हो जाओ. My mom is the sweetest. She knows that I'm not going to be having dinner, so she's already cut me this bowl of apple. Apple के साथ साथ I'm also thinking of getting a slice of bread and peanut butter. Yum. This is the bread I was talking about. The immunity booster herbal seeds bread. I don't know. I really feel like it's a marketing strategy, but my dad was sold, so here we are with this herbal seed wali immunity bread. And it has a very strange yellow color. It looks like a bread ko jaundice ho gaya hai. Let me show you. Look at it. This is how the bread looks. It's so yellow. It looks like इसमें turmeric डाला है. It tastes like normal bread. इसमें कहीं कहीं पे ऐसे seeds हैं, जैसे यहाँ पे. I don't know if you can see. Like here we have the seeds. So let's toast this. अभी 10-15 मिनट पहले I was sitting with Ria and we were having this discussion because again both of us in our respective ways were feeling a little emotionally vulnerable. Like we were discussing so many things which I am planning to also talk about it in a vlog maybe the coming week. I think talking about it with anybody, whether it's your friend, whether it is your parents, whether it is your sibling, just talking about how you're feeling, communication literally solves half of your problem. I feel like कभी कभार किसी को कुछ लिखने से या अपनी बातें कम्युनिकेट करने से हमारी बहुत सी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाती हैं. I do that regularly with whether it's with Ria, whether it's with Divya, whether it's my friend Varsha and Khushbu from Mumbai, जिनके साथ I've had so many deep conversations. क्योंकि मुझे लगता है I am otherwise also मैं बहुत ही इमोशनली चार्ज रहता हूँ हर चीज़ में. आई फील थिंग्स अ लॉट एंड बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि आई एंड अप फीलिंग वेरी ओवरवेलम्ड या आई एंड अप फीलिंग लाइक कभी कभी बहुत छोटी सी चीज़ भी बहुत ज़्यादा अफेक्ट कर जाती है. सो I had that moment like 10-15 minutes back and I sat with Ria. She was also having her issues and so we both were discussing and it was amazing and I wish I could just vlog it, but we were a little too personal and we didn't want to take names on the vlog. But one day for sure, maybe in the next week, I will record a vlog jahan pe I'll tell you something that has happened to me a couple of years back, which I would love to discuss with you. I'll do that in a heart-to-heart segment. All right. Workout तो आज हुआ नहीं है. Lights on. क्योंकि I'm not gonna lie, थोड़े दिनों से नींद नहीं पूरी हुई है. But I'm again, like I said in the morning also, I'm trying to just accommodate myself to this new daily-ish vlog lifestyle. I'm sorry अगर आज का vlog थोड़ा सा ठंडा, I don't know, but that was honestly my day. I woke up really late because I slept at 6 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. I am tired. Yesterday, I mean not yesterday, today. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. अगर आपको लगता है कि ये vlogs, you know, if these vlogs add any value to your life, then don't forget to share it with your friends. Tell your friends कि भाई listen, ये एक लड़का है, इसने daily-ish vlogging शुरू की है. So go ahead and check out his channel. Like just tell them to check out my channel. If they stay, it's fine. We'll welcome to the Decode family. And if they don't, then it's fine too. It's completely fine. But share with your friends that Rajat has started daily-ish vlogging and I would love for them to join the Decode family. If you enjoyed this vlog, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below ki what are you grateful for in life. Let me know in the comments below. Let the comment section be full of positivity and happy vibes. That being said, don't forget to be kind to yourself, be kind to other people, be nice to yourself. Don't be so hard on yourself and don't forget to be the best and the happiest version of yourself. I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.